Hey, good morning. It's Thursday morning, and you guys know we don't have school tomorrow. So, you actually, since you're at home, if you don't get anything finished today, you could finish up maybe tomorrow. We're going to work in IXL today. We're going to do a couple things. The first one is IXL F3. That's Language Arts, 6th grade, and it's rhyme scheme. And it's mainly working on rhyme. Some people had a really hard time with rhyming words, so that's a practice with rhyming. So remember, 85 is the minimum. That's a B. If it's easy for you, or if you want to have an A in English, you probably need to go up into the 90s. The next one is L1. Again, it's 6th grade, and it's language arts and personification. And you're going to have to pick a word that completes a phrase that shows personification. So if you remember, we said an easy way to remember personification is it has the word person in it. So that means it's going to give human qualities, people qualities, to things that aren't people, like a tree or a cloud or a pencil. They're going to do things that only a human would do, like sneeze or shiver or cry out. These things don't do those things, only people do. So that's what L1 is about. So you're going to pick the word that would best say what would be example of personification. So if one of the choices is something that a cloud might move. That's not personification. A cloud would move, but would a cloud dance? No, people dance. Clouds don't dance. So the choice for that one would be dance. So that's what you do on that one. Remember, if you get one wrong, they always tell you down below why it's wrong. So when you get that choice again, probably you'll know what to do differently. In social studies, we're going to do just one part of UTSI today. We're going to just work on theories. You're going to look and read about 4 different theories of how he was murdered. Everyone agrees he was murdered. The question is, how was he and who did it? And that's the mystery. So you're going to go to each theory. So you'll click on the background of your investigative sheet. On here, you're going to go up here and you're going to click on the 4 theories. Okay, and when you do, it opens up to this. And so there's theory 1, 2, 3, and 4. So one at a time, you're going to click on theory 1, and you're going to go and write down on your Google slide, go to where it says theories, and you're going to write in as much information as you can about theory 1. So that would include, like, well, how do they say he died? How do they think he died? And then why do they think that? So you need to include why they think that. You can't just put down he drowned, which isn't a choice, but you can't just put down he drowned. You have to put down why do they think that. So on each theory, put down how do they think he died, and then why do they think that. What I think in your agenda, it says something about justify the answer. Yeah, justify the theory. Justify means you have to give reasons why they think that. You can't just come up with a crazy theory. You have to look at all the facts and then decide why do they think that. So make sure you do that, and that's all you do today, just the 4 theories. And when we come back on Monday, we'll work on the paragraph part and then your keynote presentation. So for today, just 4 theories. If you didn't get questions done, you need to go back and finish those because those should have been done yesterday. Anything else that we've done, you know that today is the last day of the quarter. Anything you haven't turned in, I've been emailing you things you're missing, and some of you have gotten on the stick and got it done, and some of you haven't. And so after today, what you got's what you got. So if there's anything not turned in, there'll be zeros added to the gradebook. This does not include your poem. It does not include that. That is going to be the 1st grade for the 2nd quarter, and does not include anything we've done so far about UTSI. Okay, everything about UTSI will be on the 2nd quarter grades. So if you're a little bit behind on UTSI, or if you still haven't turned me in your poem, then you need to just do that by Monday probably. You don't want to get too far behind because then it gets harder. One more time, when you're sent a Google Doc on Google Classroom. Okay, for example, this one. When you're sent, the assignment was to write your own poem. The directions are right on there. Okay, right on there it says. So you click on this. Mine's going to look a little bit different because I'm on a laptop. I am not on an iPad. But I did give you verbal instructions and written instructions. Right up in the top right-hand corner, there's going to be what looks like a paper with a pencil through it. That is how we open up a Google Doc. Now, some of you, I've emailed you because you're not doing it that way. And when you're virtual, you have to do it the right way. And we've practiced in class. So those of you who have been here, you should know how to do this. So you click on the paper with the pencil, and you do not click on the pencil. We only click on the pencil to open up a Google slide. To open up Google Slides, you click on the pencil, and when that opens up, you click down at the bottom on the A, and that lets you click any place on that paper and type your answer. So you don't have to use your finger because that's impossible to read that. Okay, do not do things on paper because I will not grade them. I will return them to you because you need to do it the right way. Okay, again, you guys emailed me a lot yesterday, so I get back to you as fast as I can, but remember, I'm helping kids in the classroom, so I can't always answer you right as soon as you email me. So we'll do our best and try to catch up on anything you don't have done. And I've emailed you, I think all of you, about anything that you were missing. So work hard, get caught up, so when we come back on Monday, you guys will have an easier time of it. But make sure that you're supposed to spend an hour a day on each assignment. And probably virtually it might take you a little bit longer because you have to go through and read the directions. So it might take you a little bit longer than that. But okay, all right. Have a great day and enjoy. It's going to be a nice day outside today. So again, if you have questions, email me and I'll hurry and get back with you as quickly as I can. All right, bye.